Hello everyone, I'm Ovi, your virtual chef. Today, we'll be cooking a delicious Limoncello Mousse. And now, let's take a look at its origins. Mousse is a French dessert known for its fluffy and light texture. It emerged in French cuisine in the 18th century and has become a favorite thanks to its smoothness and versatility. Today, there are many varieties, including chocolate mousses, fruit mousses, and of course, Limoncello Mousse. This dessert has gained popularity worldwide due to its elegance and delicate flavor. Limoncello is a traditional Italian liqueur, famous for its intense lemon flavor. Originating from the Campania region, it is made with high-quality lemons and has been enjoyed in Italy for centuries. This liqueur is commonly served as a digestive after meals, and its freshness makes it ideal for various recipes. Limoncello adds a vibrant and citrusy touch to mousse, elevating this dessert to a superior level. The ingredients we will need are mascarpone cheese, lemon, egg, sugar, limoncello, and cookies. The quantities will depend on how many servings you want prepared. Now, let's start the preparation. Crack the eggs and separate the egg whites from the yolks in a bowl. Place the yolks in another bowl. Use a whisk and beat the egg whites with quick, enveloping movements until a dense, white cream with firm peaks forms. This process will take about 10 minutes. The egg whites will be ready when, upon lifting the whisk, the cream holds its shape without falling, just like when preparing a meringue. Then, add the sugar and continue beating until the mixture becomes smooth and glossy. In a bowl, add the mascarpone cheese and grate the lemon. Mix it well. Add a splash of limoncello and mix again until everything is fully incorporated. Finally, gently fold the beaten egg whites into mixture with smooth, enveloping movements until you achieve a homogeneous and fluffy batter. Finally, serve the mixture in a glass and crumble a cookie on top. And voila! Bon appetit! You can choose the glass you like best to serve it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date. Until the next dish,